Hey guys, make sure you stay until the end. We'll explain about common mistake people make when replacing fuses and relays that can end up you spending quite a bit of money on diagnostics tools, parts that you may not need. Make sure you stay until the end. Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a Ford Explorer that generation here from year 2011 to year 2015. If you need to find where the power seats, fuses and relays are located, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts and tools, that way you do not waste money and time, all that will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure you stay until the end. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart. We show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine lights, transmission lights, fuses, relays. Why we do all that, guys? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way, check out our YouTube channels. We have, guys, more than 15,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. So let's go ahead and start on it now. So guys, where you can expect to find the fuses and relays for the power seats, we will demonstrate on this Ford Explorer here. We'll be working in two different fuse boxes today. The first one, we need to open the driver door, look under the dash. Where the parking brake paddle is, look up under the dash on the very left back side. Up in the dash you'll find black cover like this one. Press these two tabs, open the cover, and you'll find the main interior fuse box with a layout like this one. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below specifically to that video. Please check it out. Here, guys, we need to check 3 fuses, then we need to go to a different fuse box. Even if you have a missing fuse, you count that spot, and starting here we need to, guys, first check fuse number 7 right here. Check that fuse number 7. Then we need to check fuse number 19 right here, and then we need to check fuse 32 right there. After that, you need to go ahead and open the hood on your Ford Explorer. Here is on the driver's side is the main engine fuse box. Press these 2 tabs, open the cover. That's the main engine fuse box, guys. Layout here. Specifically, what we need to check, fuse number 23. Now we are talking about that fuse right here. Very important fuse. And we need to find fuse number 42. That one here, these 2 fuses. What about relays? You don't have relays, guys. Those fuses are known as relay fuses. Those will be the only things that you need to check. So guys, by the way, you have all kinds of different fuses, relays, circuit breakers, and check under the hood. It's even more complicated, guys. And even you have some special fuses, okay, like this one right here. One time we needed a replacement fuse, we couldn't get one, and we were stuck in the middle of nowhere because of that. We'll recommend to buy some, put them in the glove box for a peace of mind. We'll share the link in the description of the video below for your convenience, where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time.